business credit is just like a financial track record that's specific to your company, okay? Just like you have a personal credit score, your business has its own credit score. It's called Paydex, okay? That reflects how trustworthy and responsible your company is with money. This score is based on things like how consistently you pay your bills, loans, credit cards that are related to your basically business credit, which is separate than your personal credit. Now, let's talk about the benefits of having good business credit. First of all, it's just like a golden ticket to financial opportunities. When your business credit is strong, it becomes easier to get loans, credit cards, and other forms of financing. And because the needs of a business is much more than a person, the limits of these credit cards and loans are significantly higher, like 3 to 4 times more than the personal limits. This means you can invest in new equipment, hire more people, employees, or expand your business without draining your personal savings. Okay? Not only does business credit give you financial flexibility, but it also boosts your company's reputation. Think of it as a way to show that your business is reliable and can be trusted. Suppliers, partners, potential customers are more likely to work with you if they see that you have an awesome credit score for your business and if your business has a solid credit history. Does it make sense? One of the cool things about good business credit is that it can actually save you a lot of money when your credit score is high. And just so you know, the scores for business credit goes from 0 to 100. It's not like FICO that is from 300 to 850. Okay, when your score is high, lenders see you as less risky, so they might offer you lower interest rate on the loans that they give you, the high limit loans that they give you. That means you will pay less interest over time, which leaves more money in your pocket to reinvest in your business. And here's something really important, okay? Business credit helps protect your personal assets. If your business face financial challenges, God forbid, let's say you have to file bankruptcy for your business. If your personal credit is attached to it, your personal credit will take a hit as well. But here's the thing, if everything that you get is under your business credit, that means your personal belongings like your house, car won't be on the line, okay? It keeps your business and personal finances separate and secure. And to sum it up, business credit is just like a powerful tool that can open doors for your company. It helps you access money when you need it, boosts your business reputation, like I mentioned, saves you so much money on the credit and loans you get, and safeguards your personal assets. And by managing your business credit wisely, you're setting your company up for success and growth. Go to legitcpn.com. We can definitely help you out with your business credit if you need help with it, okay? And you don't need to have a business going right now in order to get the business credit. You can have an idea and basically set up the foundation. So once you want to start making money, you want to hire people, you are ready. You have the foundation set.